may remember a few weeks ago, I created this planter for the pool area at my house to where my umbrella would go through the center. And I planted this fern in here and never really talked about it. So I thought today we'd do a focus on this fern. It's called an Arborvitae fern. I love it because it's just got a very different texture than a lot of the other ferns that we see so typically around the South. This fern grows in zones 6 to 9, so it's perfect for our hot temperatures. And it's low, it stays low, which was what made it so perfect for that. The top of a table is that in a low planter, and how high it gets, you can still see over it when there's someone sitting across from you, and that's why I loved it so much. So the shadier it is, the more green it will be. It turns a little more chartreuse with the more sun it gets. It can handle quite a bit of sun, so partial to full sun, and it stays this kind of darker green color when it's in a more shady condition like it is around my pool area. This one is a 3-gallon planter here at Stokely, and it's so full and so beautiful. You could definitely do an entire planter with just one plant, and it just looks delicate. It's just a really beautiful plant. So if you're looking for something that fits that short height, hot conditions, and something that just stays evergreen and really beautiful for your patio or for your container, this might be the perfect thing for you. Don't forget it, Arborvitae Fern.